Hi there, Ian Stewart here. I am the proud owner of Buildabizonline, and in this demonstration I'm just going to show you our splash page builder. So let me just log into my members area, and here we are. And this is our splash page builder, which is similar to our autoresponder, only there are no capture forms in there. Now we can actually grab a capture form code and put it into one of the templates over here. So what I'm going to do in this, I'm just going to show you, it's very similar to the demonstration if you've just looked at that for the autoresponder. So I'm going to let's choose one. Let's have a look now. $1 trial. Let's click on this one. We can view the capture page that I built. Okay, Oof. Loaded videos into it and got some words in there and added some, and that was an automatic video, so I'm sorry about that, but I've got PayPal buttons in there and Payzer buttons in there, and everything's looking cool and good. Okay, as I say, you can get put capture forms into this, so that's another great thing. Now, where are we? There we go. If I wanted to change the template, very similar, we've got a lot of templates, a lot of templates. We've got on with video backgrounds at the moment, but okay, so there's quite a lot to choose from just there. Let's go back here. Let's have a look at another thing. Let's have a look here. Edit settings. So, and this is where we delete a splash page, but it's unlimited splash pages, so there's no limit. And it's the same again, okay, for our autoresponder. So you got the now this is, some of our templates have got click now on them, so this would be the destination of where you want them to send them to after they've clicked on that click now or that call to action button. The tab title. So the tabs are in your, just up here, you can't see them, but when somebody clicks on one of our splash pages, the tab, as you know, all the tabs that open up the little windows, that would have that in it, okay, and short description, keywords, and the title. I've omitted the title from this one, I didn't want one in there, but you can change the colour of the title. WYSIWYG again, which is fantastic because you can add lots of colour, underlining and whatever. And if you wanted to, this, we have a second WYSIWYG here, editor just here. Now some of our splash pages make really nice web pages, okay, and some of them have got a second column, so, or a left hand column, so this is where you'll put the content for that. So this would be the main body, okay, as it mentions just there. This would be if it's got no second column, then you can use this as well. This is where I tend to put me capture forms and things like that if I want to change it from a splash to a capture form. And I think that's just about it for this demo. Really simple to use. All I would do if I wanted to create a new splash page, just give it a name so we've got a reference so that we can choose the right one that we want to work on later on, and that's it. It's really good, really simple. Okay, so that is the end of this demo for the, let's just have a look, the splash page builder. Thanks for listening. Bye for now.